Hello, I'm Andrew Lo, Professor of Finance at the MIT Sloan School of Management and the Director of the MIT Laboratory for Financial Engineering. I have the distinct pleasure and privilege of being the 2020 Marlowe Signature Lecturer at the University of Ottawa. So I'd like to tell you a little bit about what I plan to speak on. The title of my presentation is Financial Market Dynamics and Systemic Risk in a Post-COVID World. So I'll be focusing on the various different macroeconomic relationships that are changing in the face of the pandemic. Clearly, there are some winners and losers, but the question is, what are we expecting over the course of the next few months and years? I'll be looking at these events through the lens of the adaptive markets hypothesis, which views the financial system more as an ecology rather than a physical system. And the principles of ecology, evolutionary biology, and behavioral finance are the tools that we'll be using to try to understand how the markets are changing in the face of these traumatic challenges to all of us. Although there are these challenges that we have to work through over the course of the next few years, there are some tremendous opportunities that will also be created by these events. If you'd like to learn more, please join me for the Marlowe Lecture, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.